Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to make a product page on Wix. So for this one, the first thing that you should do is we have to open any of our web browser. And then of course, we have to visit the Wix Studio website. So using the search bar, you just have to type out Wix Studio. And then you'll be able to see there different websites. You just have to click on the first one. Okay, so just like this. Just click on Wix Studio and then you'd be redirected to your Wix account. So right here to check if you have logged into your account, just simply click on this profile at the top right. And then if this is not your account, so you just have to switch to your real account. Okay, and then once done, you click on the sites option, you'd be able to see here different sites. Okay, so if you have a site that doesn't have a product page, so you just have to follow this process. So for this one, I'm just going to create a new site since all of my site has their own product page. So just simply click on the create new page. And then once you're done, you'd be redirected to this page. So you just wait for a couple of seconds. Now once you're here, the next thing that you should do is to simply click on the add elements option at the top left of your screen. So this one, okay, and then using the search bar, just have to simply type out store. Okay, so just simply type out store right here, and then if we cannot find here the Wix store, then as you can see right here at the left side at the bottom, we have the store option below the blog, so we can also click on this one. Okay, so I think I cannot find here the Wix store using the search bar. So I'm just going to navigate here under the blog option. Okay, so this one at the left, just have to simply click on this one. So let me just type out store once again. Okay, so this is now the store right here. Next thing that you should do is you just have to simply add this to your site. Okay, and then just wait for a couple of seconds. And then once you're done, the Wix store will be added now to your Wix website. Okay, so what we can do next is to add now the products. So to do that, you just have to simply click on the products right here and you'll be able to see an option which is the manage products. So you just have to click on that option. Okay, so this one right here. And then just wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, that's right. And then the first thing that we should do here, since we already added our Wix store, so we are going to delete all of these default products. Okay, so I just have to select to all and then click on the more action option and then click on delete. Okay, that's right. Now to add our very first product, you just have to simply click on this new product option at the center or this one at the top right. Okay, so you can upload her physical product or digital products. So of course, I'm going to sell her like physical products. So I'm just going to click on it. Then right here, you can now click on this one at the very top to add a title for your product. So just for an example, I'm going to sell her shoes for men. Okay, and then here we can add images and a video. So click on add images. And then we can upload media from our computer. So for this example, I'm just going to use media from Wix. Okay, so you can click on this one option right here. And then using the search bar at the top, you can search for that specific product that you are selling on your page. So of course, if you are building your store, you have to make sure that you have all of the necessary images from your own. Of course, because it has to be the same image from the product that you are selling. And then I can also add here videos if you want to. So just simply click on this one right here. So you can add more images or videos. Okay, so you just have to do the same. You can upload media from your computer or use media from Wix. So the next thing that you should do is to go here in the product info. So for the basic information, we have here the name of the product. So we can add here a label like new arrival, on sale, and more. So for this one, I'm just going to type out on sale. That's right. And then click on enter. So for the description, If you don't have a description yet, so I can generate an AI text. Just have to provide here the information of your product, or you can leave the title as it is and then generate text. After that, you can now use text or generate or refine the result. Next, if you want to add additional info sections, so share information like return policy or care instruction with your customers. Next, for the pricing, we can type out right here the pricing manually. Then if this one is on sale, so we can type out right here the discount and then the sale price of the product that we are selling. Okay, so for example, the discount is 60 and then the sale price is 500. So let me change the discount to 20 and then be able to see here the cost of goods, the profit, and then the margin. For the custom text, we can also add here. Then for the product option, so does your product come in different options like color, sizes? So you can add it right here. So type in an option name, show in product page as, and then just click on add after that. Here for the inventory and shipping, we can select here the status, and then for the SKU stock keeping unit, and then for the shipping weight as well. So for example, 0.2, 0.1, or 1 kilograms, depends of the product that you are selling. Okay, and then if this one is pre-order, so let customers buy this product before it's released or when it's out of stock. So just have to type already the details and then the pre-order limit as well. And then if you have subscriptions, so create a subscription right here. Next is just simply click on save, this one at the top right of your screen. And then you have successfully added your very first product here on your Wix store. Okay, so let me just check it. Okay, so let me just go back right here. Let me just refresh my feed and see if we have successfully added our very first product here on Wix. Okay, so let us just wait for a couple of seconds. So now that we're here, the next thing that you should do is you have to navigate to your pages. So this one at the top, and then go to your product page or Wix stores. So I'm just going to click on product page and then just wait for a couple of seconds, and then your products or your product will be available in this page. Okay, so let's just wait for a couple of seconds. And as you can see, we have here now the details of the product. We have the title of the product, the description, and then we also have this different buttons where our customers can basically buy this product. And then also what I like about the Wix customizable product pages, so it will allows you to fully customize your product pages. You can design them to match your brand's aesthetics, modify your product descriptions, images, and layouts, and ensure that each product is presented uniquely. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.